Number 13C, solve the equations 3 power x squared is equals to 27 power x plus 1. So 3 power x squared is equals to 27 power x plus 1. What you do, you look at 3 and 27, they can both be written to the base of 3. So 3 power x squared will be equals to 27 is 3 power 3, but we had x plus 1 there. So simplifying, we'll have 3 power x squared is equals to 3 power 3x. When you open the bracket, 3 times 1 plus 3. So having written the right and the left hand side to the common base, we will ignore the bases and equate the powers. So say x squared is equals to 3x plus 3. Then you can rearrange to come up with a quadratic equation whereby we'll have x squared minus 3x minus 3 is equals to 0. Then from here, you can solve the quadratic equation. For this case, we'll use the quadratic formula, which says that to find x, you take negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where our a is coefficient of x squared, for this case is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, for this case is negative 3. And our c is the constant, for this case is negative 3. So we substitute in the formula. So we'll have x being equals to negative b, but it's negative 3. So negative of negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 3 squared, minus 4 times a times c, our c is negative 3, all over 2a, our a is 1. Then what do we do there? We simplify negative of negative, that will be positive 3 plus or minus. Our negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 times negative 4, that is plus 12 all over 2. So what you do, 12 plus 9, that gives you 21. So we have 3 plus or minus the square root of 21 all over 2. So what you quickly do, you take your calculator and find the square root of 21. Then you'll be able to get 4.58 to 6, or to 4 significant figures to be 3 plus. So it will be 4.583 to 4 significant figures. So taking the positive value, x will be equals to 3 plus 4.583 all over 2. 3 plus 4.583, then divide by 2. That gives you 3.792. Taking the negative value, x is equals to 3 minus 4.583 all over 2. 3 minus 4.583 divided by 2, negative 0.7 excuse me, negative 0.7915, negative 0.71915. So hence x is equals to 3.792, or x is equals to negative 0.7915. All of them are to 4 significant figures.